we are going to talk about the Module 1 assignment in your course. This assignment is to create an APA title page. So what I'm going to do today is walk you through exactly how you will complete this assignment. The first thing you'll do is log into the course, and you will click on the Lessons folder. Once you're in the Lessons folder, you will click on Module 1, Becoming a Student. And after you've gone through each of these various tabs and all of the different materials within those tabs, you will be ready to complete your Module 1 written assignment. So you'll click on this link, and that will pull up the Module 1 written assignment. If you scroll down, you will see that there is a drop box underneath the assignment directions. And I will show you how to use that drop box. So for this week's assignment, the directions read, part of being a college student is learning how to use APA formatting. All coursework must be submitted as an attachment to the Dropbox using Microsoft Word. For your Week 1 written assignment, you will submit a properly formatted APA document that includes the following. Page 1 of your submission is a properly formatted APA title page. Page 2 of your submission will include 2 sentences using Times New Roman 12-point font and double spacing. In your sentences, share your name, the best time and number to reach you on the phone, as well as the state where you currently live. Here's a good example. My name is Becky Sims, and you can reach me on my phone at, and then you would put your phone number, anytime between 8 a.m. and noon, any day of the week. I currently live in Libertyville, Illinois. So your sentences basically allow us to learn a little something about you, and also just allows us to see that you're able to write sentences in the correct format that we require PA. Okay, so once you have that, below we'll continue on with the directions. To help you create your APA formatted document, please use the following linked APA title page. So you'll click on this link, which we'll do together in just a moment. The document is already formatted for you. So many students struggle with how to correctly format an APA title page in an APA paper. So what we have created is a document that's already formatted, but you will need to revise it to meet your information. So you'll change the header on page 1 and on page 2 by double-clicking inside the header area to change the header, and then double-click again outside the header area to complete that change. Title of the document, your name, your instructor's name, the date, and then page 2 sentences. So you'll delete the current sentences on that template, and you'll add in your own information. Then you will rename the file by selecting File, Save As. Then you'll change the file name using this format, first, last name, underscore, the name of the assignment, the underscore, and the date, just like this right here. Okay, then what you'll do is you will go back into the course, you'll scroll down to the Dropbox, and you will attach that properly formatted APA title page document to the Dropbox. So let's go ahead and do it together. So the first thing we will do is we will click on the APA title page template link, and we will open it. Enable editing. Now, we can see if we scroll down that we have 2 pages here, and it is correctly formatted, but our assignment is nothing to do with Memories at the Cabin. So the first thing we'll do is double click here in the running head. This should be in all caps. So we're going to make sure we either hold down the Shift key or caps lock, and we'll type in APA title. Then we will double click outside of that area because we have fixed the running head on page 1. We're going to come down, we're going to double click again, and we're going to shorten the title and all caps again and just put APA. It is now changed. The numbers are already in the place where they need to be. Double click anywhere outside of that, and you'll see that you now have changed the header. The next thing we want to do is change the title of the paper. So we're going to put in APA title page. That's the name of this assignment. Here you will put your name. That is my name, so I'm going to leave that in place, but you will put your own name there. The date, put whatever the date is. So if it's July 1st, you put July 1st. If it's July 6th, you put July 6th, whatever the date is. And then right here is where you're going to put your instructor's name. So if your instructor is Becky Sims, you'll put Becky Sims. And now we have correctly put everything we need to on page 1. We're going to scroll down to page 2. We're going to change the title here of our paper. And now we need to retype sentences. So we're going to delete everything that's in there, and we're going to type in the sentences that we need to with our name, best number and time to reach you as the student, and where you currently live. This helps us understand time zones and how we need to get a hold of you if we ever do for any reason. Now, we've done everything we want to do with the APA title page. It is correctly formatted. We checked everything out off the box here. Let's just go back and see. We checked the header, we did the title, we changed the name, instructor's name, the date, and then the 2 sentences. Now all that's left is to rename the assignment. So what we will do is we will come over here to File. When we pull down on that, we can see we have all these different options. What you want to select is Save As. Now, this is kind of an important step. Where will you save it? Usually you're going to save it into your documents, into a new folder. Title that folder B080, and then double-click on that folder. Now, this is very important, the file name. You do not want to leave it simply as sample title page. Then what happens is the instructor gets everybody's assignment as the same thing. You need to identify it with your first initial, your last name, the underscore, name of the assignment, the underscore again, and then the date. So for example, July 1st would be 7/1/2015. Then you click Save. It's in my Documents folder under B080. I'm going to click Save. And I'm ready to come back over to the course and upload that assignment. So I'm going to give it a title, APA title page. And I'm going to click Attachments. I'm going to browse my computer. I'm going to click on Documents, B080, and there it is. It's already saved correctly with that new title. I'm going to click Open, Upload, Finished, and what you're going to look for is having that right there under the attachments area. And you can say a little note here, I am so glad to have this template for all of my assignments. You know, just any note you want. If you struggled with the assignment, you can put a little note to your instructor right there letting them know you struggled. That is just extra information. The title of the assignment goes here. Attachments, make sure it's saved correctly, and then you're going to hit Submit. And that will submit your assignment, and you will have successfully completed everything that you need to complete for this APA title page assignment. If you have any trouble at all, please make sure you reach out to your instructor, send an email, or place a phone call letting us know, and we can help you complete this assignment. We're going to ask you to redo the assignment if you don't do it correctly until you do it correctly, so that all future assignments can be used with this properly formatted APA title page. You can use the same template that's linked here for every single one of your assignments in every single one of your courses. So good luck, and look forward to receiving your submissions.